In this video, I'll be demonstrating how I've flown an RC aircraft, FPV, from a laptop by using PC input devices. Links to the products that I've used are in the description. The aircraft is a Blade 180QX. No permanent modifications to the aircraft were required. I used the provided landing gear screws and a hot glue gun to attach popsicle sticks to the frame and the camera to the popsicle sticks. For input devices, I used Thrustmaster's Warthog HOTAS system for aileron, elevator, and throttle, or cyclic, collective, and throttle. I used Cytek's ProFlight Combat rudder pedals for rudder or anti-torque, and finally, I used Cytek's ProFlight throttle quadrant to add trim functionality to the X, Y, and Z axes. So how does this all work? There are two non-related activities taking place. The input devices are controlling the aircraft, and the aircraft is sending a video signal to the laptop. I've used a combination of software and hardware to allow the aircraft to be flown via standard direct input devices. FreePie is being used to combine all physical input devices into one logical joystick. Additionally, FreePie has the ability to add curves, which can drastically improve the way the aircraft handles. It can also combine axes, which makes trim possible. This is the FreePie script that was used. The logical joystick is called VJoy. Once installed and configured, it appears in the OS just like a physical joystick would. I configured mine to have 6 axes and no buttons. Servo Commander is an application that takes input from a number of input devices, in my case VJoy, and allows that input to be sent to an RC transmitter. The hardware required to do this is PCTX. Taking input from Servo Commander, PCTX generates a PPM stream, which is sent to the RC transmitter via its trainer port. The RC transmitter is bound to the aircraft, but is operating in slave mode. This allows the control information within the PPM stream to be transmitted to the aircraft. When using the system, I don't detect any input latency. Receiving video on the laptop is more straightforward. I used Spectrum's VA1100 Ultra Micro FPV camera, which contains a 5.8 GHz transmitter. This does not interfere with 2.4 GHz, which is used to fly the aircraft. I used Immersion RC's 5.8 GHz UNO receiver and SpiroNet antenna, as none of the 5.8 GHz receivers that I had on hand were compatible with the VA1100's transmitter. To output video to my laptop, I'm using Hophog's USB Live 2. The device comes with WinTV, which in real time displays video from the USB Live 2. After updating drivers and enabling game mode, I detected no video latency. Note that this video was taken in an office building with a lot of 5.8 GHz interference caused by Wi-Fi and wireless audio equipment. Despite the interference, it was a good overall experience.
I captured the flyby.
Excellent.
How rapidly did you want to see my lunge? I heard that adjustment. Go right over. Down. So will the flakes. Damn, son. Yeah, Corey, he does seem to have a slightly better grasp of the throttle. Go low past me. Into the bitch. Hey, Corey, come handle the camera or shoot him off the table. Let's do a catapult launch.
All right.
So shoot him off this end of the table.
Ready? Yep.
Oh, I caught it.
Try it again.
Oh, almost. Hold on, hold on.
All right, here goes.
Pretty good. Yeah, that's ceiling tile. Yeah, that one will go good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Maybe I shouldn't stand here. Okay, yeah, you got me that time. You managed to chase me out of the way. I saw that.
Well, funny, I saw it coming over here.
That okay, yeah, that is funny. Watch it as it kills you. Hey, that's gonna.
The first time.
That's great. Ready? 3, 2, 1, launch. Well, that's one way. Guardrails are guardrails there, right? Sparks left, move right. Nice one. Good one.
I'm going to try a proper landing in the middle.
Oh, we look. No, motor.
And the battery?
Just motor. You're still blinking proper. Oh. Yes. Bitch, bitch, bitch. Hold on. You want to see if you can land in front of it?
Put it on the ground.
Okay. Where do you want it? Right out here in the middle?
Yeah.
And land. There you go. Take back off. That's the one he's going to edit in. Try this one. That ought to work.
Here, lay it face on my gun. Let's see if I can bug it.
Be interesting to see what the frame rate does, particularly given the fluorescence. Oh, you trying to land on it? Yep. That was battery.